Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know what are the balance transfer option for Santander Bank's credit card. So the balance transfer for the existing customer is that if you have a credit card with the customer care, then you may receive a 0% balance transfer offer from Santander Bank. A balance transfer is when you move your existing credit card balance from one card to another. A balance transfer could help you consolidate balance from more than one credit card and benefit from a zero interest rate for a set period, potentially useful in paying the higher interest rate on another ground. Now, before making a balance transfer, you should make sure that a balance transfer is right for you and your circumstances. So balance transfer offers may be included when you open a credit card. This is also known as introductory period. Once you're outside of your introductory so the balance transfer offers may be included when you open your. So that is how the balance transfer option for Santander Bank or Santander Bank's credit card works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.